Chapter 5. The minimum viable offer. A minimum viable offer is the smallest complete promise a buyer can accept today. It takes what you learned in interviews and turns it into a paragraph, a price, a plan, and a way to pay. It does not require a brand book, a full website, or a big team. It requires clarity, proof, and a clean checkout. The goal of this chapter is simple. By the end, you will have a live offer people can purchase without a meeting. You will know how to set scope, price by impact, reduce risk, collect money, deliver fast, and ask for a public win you can show. You will also have a 2-week launch plan and a short list of pitfalls to avoid. If this chapter serves you, subscribe so you catch the next deep session. If one line helps you move today, tap like when you listen. That tiny click helps this map reach a founder who needs it. 1. What an offer is and what it is not. An offer is not a page of features. It is not a dream. It is not a vague promise that changes when you speak. An offer is a contract in plain language. It ties a specific situation to a specific result for a specific price within a specific time. It names what is included. It names what is not. It says how you will handle rough edges. It ends with one clean step to start. When an offer is right, buyers stop asking what is it, and start asking when can we start. 2. Anatomy of a minimum viable offer. Use this simple order. Keep sentences short. Read it out loud before you publish. 1. Moment and buyer. Name who this is for and when it matters. 2. Promise and outcome. Name the result in plain words. 3. Timeline. State a clear number of hours or days. 4. What's included. List 3 or 4 items only. 5. What's excluded. Name the obvious boundary. 6. Proof. Show one simple, recent result. 7. Price. Present good, better, best tiers or a fixed fee. 8. Risk reversal. State one honest assurance. 9. Next step. Give one link to pay or book. That is all. If you write more, you will start to confuse the very people you wish to help. 3. 3 complete examples you can model. A. Local service. Canvas in 3 minutes. Visitors walking past our stand can turn any phone photo into a canvas on the spot. We show a preview before we print. You pick a size. $19, $29, or $39. Most people leave in under 5 minutes holding a souvenir that lasts. If the print misfires, we fix it on the spot. Why it works: the situation is live, the outcome is visible, the time is minutes, the price is simple, the risk is handled. B. Small agency, 1-page website in 72 hours. New cafes and clinics can launch a clean 1-page website in 3 days. The fixed price is $399, or $599 with professional copy. You receive mobile-first design, 1 round of edits, and full login. We shipped 3 pages last week. If we miss the deadline, we refund you. Why it works: the deadline is firm, the scope is tight, the proof is recent, the promise is strong. C. Lightweight SaaS, tiny clinic booking today. Micro clinics can add online booking today. Patients choose an open slot from phone or desktop. The service is $29 a month, or pay once a year and get 2 months free. Phone booking stays as backup. We publish a change log for every edit. 1 clinic cut phone time by more than a quarter last week. Why it works: the risk is lowered, the savings are clear, the annual plan pulls cash forward without tricks. 4. Scope that protects everyone. Scope answers 2 fears at once. The buyer fears hidden costs. You fear scope drift. Write 3 short lists. Are included. Name the core pieces you will deliver. A 1 small gift. Add a minor extra that costs you little and feels generous. Are excluded. Name the common items that are out of scope. Service example. Included: design, build, 1 round of edits, mobile check. Gift: a short video showing how to change text. Excluded: brand identity, multi-page copy, custom code beyond the template. Shop example. Included, preview on screen, 1 print, protective sleeve. Gift, a microfiber cloth. Excluded, retouching beyond crop and exposure. SAS example. Included, setup, embed button, staff training call. Gift, 3 short help videos. Excluded, custom integrations outside the list of supported tools. Boundaries do not make you cold. Boundaries make you trustworthy. 5. Price by impact, not by hours. Hours are private. Impact is public. Use a ladder with 3 tiers or a fixed fee with 1 add-on. Always show the most complete option first. This sets a calm anchor. A good, the core outcome at the fairest price. A better, the core outcome plus speed or certainty. A best, the outcome plus speed and a valuable add-on that protects the result. Agency example. Best $599, Page Plus Pro Copy plus 72-hour deadline. Better $499, Page Plus Pro Copy plus 5-day deadline. Good $399, Page without copy plus 5-day deadline. Local service example. Best $39, Large Canvas plus Preview plus Redo if misfire. Better $29, Medium Canvas plus Preview. Good $19, Small Canvas plus Preview. SAS example. Best $290 per year, annual prepay, 2 months free, priority email support. Good $29 per month, monthly, standard email support. Raise the middle tier first when demand grows. If buyers jump to the top tier instantly, you are too cheap. If buyers freeze at the bottom, your risk is still too high or your outcome is still vague. 6. Reduce risk without wrecking margin. Risk reversal does not mean unlimited promises. Use one of these. A deadline guarantee. If we miss, we refund. A redo for defects. If the print fails, we fix it now. A safe fallback. Your old method stays as backup for a week. A clear trial. 7 days full access, cancel anytime. A small deposit. Start with 60%, balance on handoff. Keep it simple. Keep it honest. Regulatory or safety limits come first. 7. A clean checkout beats a clever page. Buyers need speed and trust. Give them both. Use a simple landing page with the paragraph, the price, and 1 button. If you sell service, route to a deposit link and then to a calendar. If you sell a product, route to a pay now link and a pickup time. If you sell SaaS, route to a trial with card on file or annual prepay. Collect only what you need to deliver. Name how you store data. Show a contact method that works. A phone number or a chat that you actually check is better than a fancy form you ignore. 8. Onboarding that feels obvious. Onboarding is where doubt dies or multiplies. Make it obvious. Send a what happens next message within minutes. Offer 1 clear path, not 5. Show the first win within the first session or first day. Close the loop with a short, friendly check-in. Agency example message. Thanks for booking. Here is the plan. Today, you send logo, 1 sentence about who you serve, and your hours. Tomorrow, we send a draft. Day 3, we deliver the page and your login. If we miss a step, we refund. SAS example message. Thanks for starting. Tap this button to add your hours. Paste this code to your Facebook page. Your test booking will arrive in your inbox. If anything feels slow, reply here. We answer the same day. Local service example script at the stand. Pick your size. Here is the preview. Looks good. Print now. This is your slip. In 3 minutes, your canvas is ready. 9. Proof that fits in 10 seconds. Use one of these forms. Do not stack all 3. A small before and after with a number. Cut calls by 27% last week. A 2-line quote with a name and permission. A 10-second clip of the thing working. Proof older than 90 days loses power fast. Keep it fresh. 10. Language that sells without shouting. People decide with feelings and justify with facts. Use calm words. A start with their moment, not your mission. A use present tense. You pick a slot. You get a page. A replace we with you wherever it still reads true. A replace adjectives with numbers or verbs. A end with a binary choice. Start Monday or Wednesday. A simple template you can reuse. Problem in one line. Promise in one line. Plan in one line. Price in one line. Proof in one line. Push in one line. Read it. If you stumble, rewrite. 11. Policies that prevent pain. Write policies in human language. Make them findable. Make them fair. Payment. We accept card and bank transfer. Deposits secure your date. Reschedule. Reschedule once without charge with 24 hours notice. Refunds. If we miss the delivery window, we refund. If you change scope, we quote the change first. Privacy. We keep only what we need to deliver. We never sell data. Safety. We decline work that breaks law or harms health. Policies are not for rare fights. They are for everyday calm. 12. Delivery that creates a public win. Plan your handoff to generate one sentence you can show. Ask for permission to use a line and a logo before you start. Take a photo or screen capture at the moment of success. Write the first draft of the quote for the client to edit. Post the win where future buyers already look. Do the capture while joy is high. Hours later the moment is gone. 13. A 2-week launch plan you can keep. Day 1 to 2. Write the paragraph. Choose 3 price tiers or 1 fixed fee. Draft policies and the risk reversal. Day 3. Build 1 simple page with 1 button. Create the checkout link and calendar or pickup slot. Day 4. Send the offer privately to 5 warm leads from your interviews. Ask for deposit or a start date. Deliver fast for the first buyer. Day 5 to 6. Capture proof. Ask for a 2-line quote. Add it to the page. Day 7. Share the page where the buyers gather. Answer questions in public with calm facts. Day 8 to 10. Run a small price test. Raise the middle tier by a modest amount for new bookings. Improve onboarding messages based on the first buyer's questions. Day 11 to 14. Write a short case story in first person. Publish it with the buyer's permission. Review numbers. Keep what worked. Cut what did not. At the end of 2 weeks you will have a working offer, a delivery rhythm, at least 1 public proof, and a sense of price. 14. Instrument your offer with 5 small numbers. Do not drown in dashboards. Track only these. Views to starts. How many people saw the page and clicked? Starts to paid. How many who clicked actually paid? Time to first win. Hours until the buyer feels progress. Refunds or redo rate. Keep it low and learn from each one. Net change in cash. Weekly cash in minus cash out. If time to first win is short, all the other numbers tend to improve. 15. Pitfalls and clean escapes. Pitfall, the endless page. Escape, cut to 1 screen. Link terms under a simple line. Short words. Big button. Pitfall, custom for all. Escape, offer a standard core with add-ons. If most buyers pick the same add-on, fold it into the next version and raise the base price. Pitfall, fear of price. Escape, lead with the best tier calmly. Let silence work. If the buyer asks for a discount, trade it for speed or scale, not for hope. Pitfall, deposits feel awkward. Escape, use the line the deposit books your slot and lets us book our helpers. Then pause. The sentence is true and enough. Pitfall, refund anxiety. Escape, make the trigger specific. Missed deadline, defective print, setup fails after your attempt to fix. Honor it fast. You buy trust cheaply. 16. Advanced moves when demand grows. Aversion the offer. Keep the standard. Add a pro version with a faster timeline or add-on that actually saves you time. Erase strategically. Lift the middle tier first. Watch acceptance rate. Adjust quarterly, not daily. A bundle with partners. Pair your page with a photographer, your booking tool with a basic marketing kit. Split revenue fairly and on paper. A switch from you to system. Where you repeat, write an SOP and hand it to a helper. Your time becomes a scarce ingredient you sell at a premium only when it matters. 17. Scripts you can read as you work. Deposit script. To hold your date, we take a 60% deposit. It lets us book our helpers and guarantee your timeline. The balance is due on handoff. I will send the link now. Late invoice follow-up. Hi, friendly nudge that the invoice from last Wednesday is still open. Once it clears, we will schedule your slot. Here is the link again if it helps. Thanks for keeping this smooth. Scope guard script. That request sits outside the promise we agreed. I can price it as a small add-on, or we can keep the current scope and finish on time. Which works better for you? Refund script. We missed the window we promised, so we are refunding today. I am sorry for the slip. If you wish, we can rebook next week with a tighter plan. 18. Closing the chapter. A minimum viable offer is the smallest complete promise you can keep with confidence. It speaks the buyer's moment. It shows one result. It prices the result, not your hours. It lowers risk without eating your margin. It collects money cleanly. It delivers a first win fast. It captures a public proof. Then it repeats. You do not need a perfect brand to ship an offer. You need a paragraph, a button, and a plan. Ship the first version in days, not months. Let real people shape the second version. Protect your time with scope and scripts. Protect the buyer with clarity and courtesy. The flywheel will start to turn. In the next chapter, we will go deeper into pricing and value, how to test willingness to pay without breaking trust, how to use anchors and bundles with integrity, and how to raise prices while keeping customers.